So malamang sa malamang ay naka-encounter na kayo ng babaeng nagpa-call back to confirm sa mga dating life nyo, no? So ano nga ba ibig sabihin ng call back to confirm na sinasabi ko? Example niyan nag-set ka ng date sa crush nyo, di ba? Tapos ang sagot ni crush sa Saturday siguro. Pero pwede bang i-confirm ko sa Friday kung tuloy tayo? Yan ang classic example niyan. So ano nga ba yung dapat mong gawin kapag nagpa-call back to confirm yung babaeng dinidate nyo? The very first rule that you should understand is never agree to a call back to confirm date. Kasi it's what we like to call a maybe date. Maybe tuloy, maybe hindi. Pero 9 times out of 10, hindi talaga natutuloy yung mga maybe dates na yan. And then kapag hindi natuloy yun, ano ka ngayon? Nga ka. Sira na kagad yung weekend mo because you have nothing else planned Isa sa mga common reasons kaya ginagawa ito ng mga babae sa atin kasi meron silang hinihintay na mas gusto nilang invite galing sa ibang mga lalaki. Gets nyo? So kaya sinasabi niya na i-call back to confirm na lang kita sa Friday kung tuloy tayo sa Saturday. Ibig sabihin na lang no na kapag hindi siya in-invite ng bet niyang lalaki, at least meron siyang fallback. Ikaw yun. So what does that tell you? Ibig sabihin, hindi ka pinaprioritize ng babae. She's basically treating you like an afterthought. And that is not a mark of a high-value man. And that is why we never agree to this call to confirm dates or maybe dates. Kasi nga, if you value yourself, hindi ka papayag sa ganitong setup, sigarilyo. Kasi tulad ko na, I only have like 1 or 2 nights a week na free ako. Tapos isusugal ko pa yung precious free time ko na yun sa maybe date. God damn, bro, hindi ako papayag sa ganun. It's either sabihin niya yes or no. Take it or leave it. Either way, I'm fine naman And you guys should be too. Pag ganito yung sinabi ni crush sa inyo sa next invite mo sa kanila, sabihin mo na lang sa kanila na, you know what, I'm sorry. I cannot commit to a maybe date. Because I'm a very busy guy and I only have like 1 night na free ako. Kung magulo yung schedule mo this week, then, you know what, let's just do it some other time. Yan ang sabihin nyo sa kanila. Because this will communicate with the girl na you have your dance card full. And sobrang busy and sobrang in-demand ka na lalaki. And this will actually show your strength dun sa babae because you're not putting up with this maybe date bullshit. Ngayon, after mo sabihin sa kanya yan, just wait for her answer. If she says na, no, I really want to see you. Sige, ituloy na lang natin sa Saturday. Then, that's good. That means that you have passed her test and that also means na she's interested in you enough. On the other hand though, kung sinabi na yeah, sige, next time na lang. Then that tells you that her interest in you is very low. Sabihin mo na lang sa kanya na, alright, cool. Thanks for letting me know so I can plan something else. Ganun lang. Huwag mo nang pahabain yung chat, Diyos ko naman. After that conversation, go no contact on her for 5 to 7 days. And then after that no contact period, you can actually try and ask her out again. Ngayon, if she says the same thing, then that only means na walay na talaga sigarilyo. And your best course of action here is just walk away and never look back. Huwag ka na ma-stock up sa kanya, huwag mo na siyang i-chat, just huwag mo na siyang isipin or tanggal na talaga siya, wala na siya sa buhay mo, tanggapin mo na yun. And just move on to the next. Ganun lang kasimple yun, sigarilyo. You just have to ask her twice in 2 consecutive separate occasions. No more, no less. Well, I hope nakatulong sa inyo and follow for more. And if you guys want to get my help personally, the quickest way is for you to book a one-on-one phone coaching session with me. You can do that by clicking the link in my bio if you're on TikTok. Pero kung nasa YouTube ka naman, the link is in the description box below. Peace.